We will learn in this class to work with attributes, which are fields that can be filled manually or automatically. These fields are useful, for example, for the development of subtitles for the sheet, because through them we can fill in the name of a designer and the reviewer, the name of the project and date, among other fields. Open the caption file available in this class and let's go to our study. Attribute insertion, configuration, and editing commands are located in the block and block definition panels of the Insert tab. We'll start by configuring and entering the attributes into our legend. To do this, we activate the command define attributes and, in the box that opens, we configure the attribute to be entered. Let's look at the insertion options we can configure. The first existing option is invisible, where attribute values are not displayed or printed when the field is entered. The constant option is used to enter attributes that will have their fixed values, that is, that will never be changed in the project. The verify option, when enabled, is used to verify that the fields of the entered attribute are correct. The default option is used to insert an attribute with a standardized value without having a data entry request. The lock position option, enabled by default, defines that an attribute will have its position locked in the graphic area at the defined insertion point. Finally, the multiple rows option defines that an attribute can have information displayed on more than one row, and when this option is enabled, we can choose the width limit for the attribute. Let us insert, in the caption title field, a predefined constant field, which contains the name of the project, which is the same name as the file. We mark the required options and set the name of the attribute, which will be project title, and the default value it will have by clicking on this button. A new box opens, where we will set that the default value for this field will be the name of the file without its extension. See in this field how the value displayed on the screen will look. We confirm the two boxes and insert the attribute into their respective caption field. In the caption date field, we also chose a constant and predefined field, but in default we select the date format shown. In the other fields we will enter attributes in which it will be necessary to enter data, so in addition to the attribute name, we will also enter the question to be asked. We will not enter a default value for the attribute. See how other attributes are inserted. And so we finished our class, where we learned to insert attributes, which are very useful to create the legend of a project sheet, among other applications.